Let me ask you a question. Does your current air fryer sound like a jet engine taking off in your kitchen? And does it take forever just to reheat some pizza? If you said yes, it might be time for an upgrade. Today, we are looking at the Cosori 6-quart TurboBlaze. This isn't just another air fryer. It features a new type of motor technology that claims to be 46% faster and nearly silent. To help you make your choice, this video introduced the analysis derived from expert/pro reviewers including Food and Wine, TechRadar, RTINGS and Serious Eats, etc. And as always, if you want to check the current price, I've linked it right down in the description below. Now, here is why this machine is different. Most air fryers use an AC motor. The TurboBlaze uses a DC motor. Why should you care? It's incredibly quiet. You can actually have a conversation in the kitchen while it's running. But beyond the silence, it's fast. Cosori claims it cooks 46% faster. Users say, preheating is almost instant, and they shaved off about 5 to 10 minutes on my usual roast chicken recipe. Because of that DC motor, you get something you've never seen on a budget air fryer, 5 variable fan speeds. Usually, you can only control temperature. Here, you control the wind. You can set it to low speed for proofing, dough or dehydrating fruit, and crank it to max speed for air frying or broiling to get that steak crust. It gives you way more precision than a standard on-off fan. The next thing to talk about is the design. This thing is gorgeous. It has a matte, dark gray finish that looks premium, but what I really love is the size. It's a 6-quart capacity, which is huge, but the footprint is surprisingly compact. It doesn't dominate my counter like my old oven-style fryer. But the best design feature? The angled display. Most air fryers have screens on the front or flat on top. This one is tilted toward you. It sounds like a small detail, but not having to hunch over or squat down to see your settings is a total game changer for daily use. Finally, cleanup. The basket has a premium ceramic non-stick coating. No scrubbing required. It is PFAS-free and dishwasher safe. Okay, it sounds perfect, but let's be real. What are the downsides? The experts found 2 things you need to know. First, the speed. Because that DC motor is so powerful, standard recipes will burn if you aren't careful. If a frozen food bag says 20 minutes, check it at 15. It's a good problem to have, but there is definitely a learning curve. Second, let's look at this crisper plate. The finger holes in the center are a bit large. If you're making skinny French fries or small veggies, some of them might fall through the cracks to the bottom. It's annoying, but you can fix it easily by using a paper liner. So, is it worth it? If you want speed, silence, and precise control, this is hands down one of the best air fryer this year. It fits a whole chicken, cleans up in seconds, and doesn't scream at you while it cooks. I've popped the link to the Cosori TurboBlaze in the description below so you can check the latest deal on Amazon and Walmart. If this video helped you, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments, what's the first thing you'd cook in this? Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.